So if I had to start all over again from scratch, it's not something I would want to do, but if I had to do it, it wouldn't be that much of a problem because, of course, the one thing that I can never lose, even if you took away all my assets and you took away all the properties and you took away the money that I have invested in the stocks and shares and cryptocurrencies, is I have the knowledge. And so all I would need to do, even on a demo account, is to be trading for 4, 5 or 6 months, prove to people that I can make 3 to 6%, so me probably more, right? And then all I would have to do is just show them that track record and say, listen, I can do this for you, I can do this for your institution, I can do this for your clients. And they would probably say to me, okay, let me give you a little bit of money, let's say starting off with, I don't know, 50,000 or whatever. And if you can really do what you did in the demo account for the next 6 months or so, then we will give you, whatever, 500,000, then it'll be 1 million, then 5 million, 10 million, etc. So it's totally scalable. So from that point of view, now you might say, okay, but what are you going to do for 6 months, So in the meantime, I would probably, again, just gather around my friends and family, people that I know, and just teach them how to do exactly the same. I mean, that's what I enjoy doing. So with those two strategies, and by the way, just so you know, I personally have a belief that sharing the knowledge that you have with other people is the most generous thing that you can do with your time. Where would we be if we didn't have people passing down their knowledge throughout the ages? And the answer is we would be in the dark ages. So I actually believe that teachers, coaches, mentors, anybody that shares their knowledge, and that's what we do. But that's my belief, and that's why I do it. And of course, we have a business doing that as well. We don't just do it for the love, we do it also for the money. But it's got to be both. Why not do both? I love it. So that's my answer. Trading and investing for sure, and teaching, which is what I do now.